Okay, I'm back for another shout-out video. Just because I can. Because I've gone crazy with the power of it all. Riddle Spider. See, Riddle Spider is a really hard-working person. Looking after her kid, looking after her hubby. Some crazy studying. And she still finds the time to comment and even stalk my profile page. That is dedication. We like her very much. Who else have we got on this page? Irish Mafia 088. Hello, Ali, if that is your real name. Beth is on there as well. You gotta. I shouldn't do this because she will freak out if she gets too many subscribers. But you've got to subscribe to Beth. Her username is BET0001970. She's awesome. We love her. And more importantly, she loves us, so it's win-win. Hello, WizKid, how you doing? Tory Girl 35. I know you're very active on the tubes. I've never seen you comment on anything I've ever done. I don't think you're really watching, but that's okay. Actually, no, it isn't. I won't stand for it. Stop it. I totally lost my character then for a second. I don't really know those other people on that page, but let's get going. My three guys. Hope the family's going well, because I know you guys have had a rough week. Sarah EJ 14. I hope that's how you say that. Hello. Glenda, I'm pretty sure it's Glenda. Gleegirl Oz, who I almost met in Melbourne but didn't. Yeah, true story. Oh, and who I can't speak. This is why I suck. This is why you don't watch my videos. This is why you don't comment, you don't rate, you don't subscribe. It's because I can't speak properly. But also on this page we have your mama, your greasy granny, tube skank. I totally did that wrong too. It's supposed to, how's it go again? It's tube granny, tube skank, your mama, your greasy granny, your doctor, your lawyer, your gynecologist. She sure is. Pink Lantana, hello Pink Lantana. Hello Fairy Goddess 1219. We just have to say a very sensual hello to LA Art Gallery. Hello. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for never commenting. Actually, no, that's not true. You have been commenting lately. So that's nice. We like that. Who else is on this page I can tell you about? Hello, Joshua Matthews. Yeah. Ben Robot. Where the hell is Ben Robot? I know he's probably here. I'm sure he's commenting on people's videos, just not mine. Oh, I have to do this, people. I'm sorry. Block your ears for a moment. Lisa Simpson, she makes videos on YouTube. Lisa Simpson, she makes videos on YouTube. And her little dog too. Okay, that's not the line. I love Lisa Simpson, she's cool. Red Bear Radio, hey Mary, how you doing? The one, the only Snark de Triomphe, who I'm shamelessly misrepresenting at this point in time. I'm a little disturbed that there are so many people in this list that I don't know, and I'm going to try and get to know you all a little bit better from now on. Reva Basil. Tahara, hello. Half Scottish guy, he's awesome, we love him. He's cool. But he's no Chris. No, I shouldn't say that, that's mean. That's very mean, no, we love him, he's cool. I'm going to deliberately leave a couple of people off just because I want to see their reaction if they're even watching. Hello DCT Cool, how are you? I know we had a bit of a commenting thing. Again, about Christopher Mast. I tell you, he's trouble, that guy. Hello, Paulie, True Blue Australian, Riley and Co. Gotta love a rabbit that YouTubes. Paul Scott 1972 and B Nestle 1973. I love that they actually come in sequence like that. That's brilliant. NB Wolf, he's cool. He's been quite dedicated recently as far as subscribing and subscriptions and commenting and whatnot goes. Lord Tempest, I know you're very busy studying. Fortunately your wife's awesome, so you know, I'll treat you like your family. You can get away with not commenting. I'll let you, because I'm big like that. Who else is on here? Oh, that's somebody we don't want to talk about. Hello, Georgia Boy 77. Simply Melissa 101. I haven't seen a video on Melissa in a while. I don't know if that's just because I'm behind in my video watching, or I'll check out her channel later. That ain't right. What the dough? I don't know who you are, but thanks for subscribing. Sean 1912. Hey Sean. It was good to meet you at Melbourne. Dr. Vlog, he's cool. He only has 6 videos, but they're very good videos, I have to say. Killer Toothbrush. Actually, before we do that, I've wanted to do this for a very long time, so here goes nothing. But on my channel, it'll be awesome! I'm gonna get in so much trouble for that. I must admit, I don't appreciate how school life is cutting into your YouTube using, but that's alright. I'll deal. The very wonderful Randomness Asian is also on this page. He's doing a little Singles Awareness Day video sequence. You should check that out. Marati! Woo! Sharpie, welcome stranger. I don't know how to say your username because I suck like that, but a big hi to MG Phenom's girlfriend. She's cool. Who's on the next page? I think I'm gonna have to do. I might do the next page, and that'll be enough for today because I'm not very good at shouting at people. I seem to shout out people, but that's okay. Vox Vids, welcome back, Vox. Although you know you're very arty all of a sudden, and there's nothing wrong with that. But I miss a good old-fashioned Friday night show. It's Top of the Pops. Actually, it's Vox in a Box. And time for another episode of the Friday Night Show. I'm sorry, I don't know where my brain is. It's far too early in the morning to be making videos. Hello to Gigolo8. Hello, JunkieNet. If you rate another one of my videos 3 stars, I'm going to come and hurt you, okay? You've got a present in the mail too, but you already know that. Who else is on this page? Spider DJ 82. I don't know who you are, but you look pretty cool, so I'm going to check you out in a second. Barry Suroff, he's cool. He commented on my break stuff video quite a lot. Hi Kirkin. Vox in a Box is there as well. So I've got Vox Vids and Vox in a Box. That's really confusing, but that's okay. Hello to English Tea Boy. I could really go some English breakfast right now. Hey Heidi Scope, how you doing? I haven't seen you in a little while, but we'll catch up real soon, I'm sure. The real Clam Knuckle, do not accept imitations. J.R. Snyder Jr. Carrie Emmy, she loves the 80s, we know that. Marks Payne, he's really cool, we like him. And Tube Granny, the alter ego of Tube Skank. And of course, let's leave it on Miss Sarah B. Hello Miss Sarah B. I worked hard for her subscription, I can tell you. So that's it. That's all. Bye.